And like the title says, here we have Biga, polish and autolyze. This is my first time ever doing this. We're going to test all these three techniques together and in just one pizza dough, and we're going to make a Neapolitan pizza and see at the end of this video how this pizza will turn out. So make sure tune in, watch until the end, and let's go ahead, let's make the dough. And I almost forgot, guys, welcome back from Maestro Tio Copelli. Okay, let me explain you before we make the dough. Let me explain you really quick what we have here, and because you are watching for the first time the video, you don't know what we're talking about. So here we have the polish. Polish is, all of these are pre-fermented, 1 and 2, are pre-fermented dough. The autolyze is made with just water and flour, and basically we start the gluten structure. Usually we make the autolyze to make the dough more elastic, so when you have a weaker flour, you use the autolyze. Then we have the polish, which is liquid biga. So these two are both the same. This is made with 300 grams of water and 300 grams of flour, and this is made with 300 grams of water and double the flour, so 600 grams of flour. And both of these, 5 grams of yeast and 5 grams of honey. This one does have no honey, does have no yeast. So it's just water and flour. In this dough, in this recipe, we're gonna use 35 grams of salt. Guys, I wanna start to say that I never made this one before, and then I guess it's gonna be much easier to make it with the Autentico mixer. This is a professional pizza dough machine, and check out the link in description. So let's go ahead. I think the best way here is to add first the biga. Smells good. This has been made about 48 hours ago. That's the other difference. We have 48 hours ago, 24 hours ago, and 1 hour ago. Let's go ahead. Let's add the biga. You don't want to add the biga all together, so you want to break it in pieces. This is perfect when you want to make a contemporary pizza or a big crust pizza. I can't wait to see how this dough is gonna turn out. Let's go ahead and let's add the autolyze inside. Maybe today we are going to discover a new style of pizza dough. Since we are adding all together, we're gonna go ahead and add the salt. Now let's go ahead, speed number 1. Let's try to incorporate the biga with the autolyze dough. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the polish. So let's move everything here. Let's move this in the center. I guess this is gonna take a little bit of time. So I'm waiting that the autolyze melts the biga, and I'm waiting that it gets all one piece, like one pizza dough. It's been about 4 minutes already. And now let's go ahead and let's add the polish. So in this case, I'm gonna go ahead, yeah, come on, nice. In this case, I'm gonna go ahead and add just half amount of the polish. We're just gonna add half amount and save the other half amount later when the dough will incorporate this polish. So always speed number 1, otherwise we're gonna make a mess here. And now we can go ahead and speed up. Wow, when it's the same thing when we put the water, same texture. It's been like 2 minutes and the dough incorporated already the polish. So we're gonna go ahead and add the rest of the polish. The whole polish. This way we complete the recipe. And now let's go ahead again, speed number 1, and let's wait that this polish will be, now we can speed up a little bit. Let's wait that this polish will be incorporated with everything, and the dough, we'll see how the dough is gonna turn out. And then let's get to the second step. And put these things on washing. Wow, it's fast. At this point, it's fast. The dough at this point, it's ready. Like you can see the color and the smoothness. So we're gonna wait a few seconds. It gets like everything 100% incorporated, and then the dough is gonna be ready. So I'm gonna move this a little bit on the side here. Wow, it's coming well. A little bit of olive oil on your hands, a little bit on the counter. We're gonna see how the gluten structure come out. I think this pizza is gonna come out nice and really puffy and full of air inside, so I'm excited. There we go. Stop the machine. The dough, lovely. Whoa, 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 whoa! Insane the texture. Look at this. Smooth, strong, insane. We used like a 00 flour here, not any fancy flour. And the dough, it's a super clean. The dough machine. Let's put the retro. 1, 2, 3. Voila. Show these guys here how the dough mixer is inside. Look at this. It's clean. What we're looking here is the gluten structure. So this is how we see it. So it's important, the gluten structure, because the more the dough is strong and elastic like this, the more puffy your crust will become. Insane. All the 3 ingredients in one dough. Insane. So let's go ahead, let's close it. Full of air, my God. Let's make a big ball. At this point, the Maestro Ettio Copelli, what would do? I would have put it in a container, I would have put it in the fridge, and tomorrow I would have used it. But today we are here to see today, because you don't want to waste 24 hours more, because we have the Biga, the Polish. I think that's enough fermentation. So let's go ahead, close it, keep it about 20 to 30 minutes, and then we're gonna ball it and wait. I think with all this, maybe 1 hour, and the dough is gonna be ready. Wow, 30 minutes is best by, and the dough is like is getting out from everywhere. So let's go ahead. Shoot. Woo! Wow, I can tell you that the fermentation is super fast here. So let's go ahead. Let's make the balls. Ooh, full of air. Can't wait to make this pizza and see how this is gonna come out. I made some extra because I'm gonna make some pizzas for everyone. Whoa, so let's go ahead, let's make the balls. I can tell you that is really full of air. Look at this. Fantastic. I'm gonna make the balls about 280 grams. So regular, usual dough balls that I used to make before. So if you make this dough and you wanna slow down the fermentation, like to keep growing, we're gonna keep it in the fridge. But in this case, I'm gonna monitor everything. This one, less than an hour, they're gonna be ready to use. Let's go ahead and let's place the balls inside the container. I have to say, on the filling, it's really, really strong texture. So I can tell you right now that this pizza is gonna blow up like crazy. Let's go ahead, let's close it. Boom, boom, boom. Voila. So now I'm gonna get ready the ingredients, and let's see in the electric oven how this beast will come out. So let's wait 1 hour. If it's gonna be less, I'll let you know in a little bit. And voila, guys, 45 minutes on the clock, and this is the dough. Boom, voila. Take a look. I mean, that's what I'm talking about. The smell smells actually insane. Now, let's not waste the time today. I'm gonna make a special. No more margherita here. Let's go ahead. Let's make the pizza. Woo. Okay, let's go ahead. Flour on top of the dough. Don't be shy. Flour. Voila. Boom. In the flour. Couple of times in the flour. Try to keep the air in the dough. Make sure it's a circle. Now we go ahead and we just press lightly. We want to keep the air in the crust. Take a look. Boom, boom, boom. A little bit. Don't go out. Stay there. Now we flip it over one more time. Take off all the flour. And now we press and we pull. We press and we pull. We press, we pull. If you find those kind of bubbles, you go ahead and pump it. Otherwise, it's going to be burned. Voila. Once we have about 10 inches, go ahead. In this pizza, we're going to put a nice amount of, generous amount of basil pesto. We don't put any Parmesan cheese because this pizza is already, this pesto is already with Parmesan cheese. We put some yellow gold cherry tomatoes. We go with spicy salami, no pepperoni. Actually, you know what? Let's put the cheese first. Lightly cheese on top, fresh mozzarella. And now we go ahead and we put the spicy salami on top. Cover the pizza. Let's see, I'm excited to see this pizza, how it will come out. Really, I'm really excited. Let's go ahead and then, boom, peel under. Let's go ahead, let's cook it. Gonna cook at 380 Celsius in the oven. And we wait until the mozzarella starts to bubble. See you in a few minutes. Woo! 3, 2, 1. Are you guys ready? Oh my God! Voila! Guys, take a look of this pizza. it's soft, and it's crunchy. I mean, oh, we're not done yet. Let's put a little bit of basil. Boom, 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 voila, right there. Right there, right there. And let's see. And the exam is passed. Soft and crunchy pizza, insane. We got bigger, we got polish, we got autolyzed. And the pizza come out perfect. Don't fall in love because it's too complicated to make this recipe. But if you make it, go ahead. Tag me on Instagram. Let's finish up with a rain of a little bit of stracciatella. Voila, tum tum tum, voila. That's it. It's like a painting. That's what I'm talking about. Get this shot right there. Take a look. Boom, 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 baby. Voila. The moment of the truth before giving you my feedback. Let's see the structure first. How this pizza looks like. And then I wanted to give you my honest opinion of this taste, look, and everything else. Okay, structure here, I mean, take a look, is insane. It's soft, it's so crunchy. I mean, did you see? It's super light. Okay, the moment it's here, and then let's see how it holds. It's full of air, it's really soft. It lost a little bit of crunchiness. Let's test first right here, and then we're gonna go test the crust. The combination of toppings is insane. Now let's taste the crust, the dough, because here we are to understand this dough. It's super fragrant, super tasty. It's really good, but I noticed it lost the crunchiness. So see, it goes back and everything, but it lost the crunchiness. This happens when you have the biga, when you use 100% biga. It becomes really crunchy, soft in the same time in the beginning. But then when you wait about 5 minutes, it cools down. It's beautiful and everything, but it lost the crunchy. So I want to give this vote to this pizza 1 out of 10, probably a 7. So nothing. I'm going to finish up this pizza because it tastes really good, and I'll see you at the next one. Thank you so much, guys, and every week a new video. Subscribe and share.